Hello sniper buddies! Today you're gonna see some sniper action. I'm sneaking around the mountain to get the advantage of the height when I see an enemy. And he's down. While I continue on the path, I hear an enemy approaching from front, and I'm standing there waiting for him to show himself. I thought he was alone, but he had a lot of friends with him, so I need to change position. I'm running back. My teammates are attacking the enemies in this building from head on, and I'm standing a bit to the left to try to flank them, and I see a head coming into the window and out. Now I just have to be patient to wait for the perfect shot. I missed the shot, and now I just hope I didn't reveal my location and trying for the second shot. That's all for today, sniper buddies, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. It will help me a lot. Until next time, see ya. This is what happens when you're over-serious and think that you're in God mode. You die. At least now you can enjoy